to be doing a Parisian styled makeup look. I don't know why, but I'm like super inspired by like the Parisian, Paris fashion, Paris makeup, just everything. So I'm kind of going to do the typical thing that you see on like Pinterest, where the eyes are very, very simple. Honestly, just like maybe a little color and some mascara, and then a bold red lip. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So first things first, I'm moisturizing my face with my Drunk Elephant moisturizer, making sure that it really sinks into my skin and of course my neck. Next, I'm priming with my Tatcha primer. This stuff is so great. I know it's kind of just like everybody's favorite, but it smells so good, guys. For foundation today, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. I feel like this is just like my tried and true foundation, and I'm in the color 120. Then to buff this in, I'm using my Morphe M439 brush. Now for concealer, I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer under my eyes, my forehead, on my nose, and on my chin. To set that concealer, I'm just using my Airspun Loose Face Powder. I'm gonna let that sit on my skin for a little bit. To warm up my face, I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Light Bronzer on my Morphe R2 brush. For blush, I'm using MAC Blush Baby, and I'm using my e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. Now I'm just dusting away my bake with my Morphe E41 brush. For highlight, I'm using my Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm using the highlight color Starburst. So for my eyes, I'm using my Lorac Pro palette, Los Angeles, and for my lid shade, I'm using the first lightest shade, Chantilly. For my crease, I'm then using the color Pecan. Now I'm just taking that same shade and I am putting that onto my lower lash line. For all over my lid, I'm using this e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow. It's like shimmery. I don't really remember the name, so I'll have to leave it in the description. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline Falsies. For my eyebrows, I am using the Anastasia Dip Brow in Darkest Brown.
Now for my lips, I'm using MAC Ruby Woo, and I'm using a brush to apply it, and I've actually been really enjoying applying lipstick with a brush. I feel like it's just maybe a little bit more accurate. Now I'm just taking a little bit of my concealer on the tip of my beauty sponge and going around my lips just to clean them up and make them really pop. Last but not least, I am topping the center of my lips with a clear gloss.
Okay guys, so this is how the look turned out. I'm so obsessed. I love doing like a simple eye with a bold lip, and I think the beret is just so cute, and I love that these are like a thing again. I think they are adorable and I love wearing them. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below of what other videos you'd like to see, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!